Hello and welcome. My name is Jenny and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use CorelDRAW Go. By the end of this video, you will learn what CorelDRAW Go is, how to navigate the interface, how to start from a template and completely customize it to your needs. Let's start with what CorelDRAW Go is. CorelDRAW Go is an online graphic design application with intuitive tools for creating custom graphics without a steep learning curve. It is ideal for both beginners and creators who need more advanced drawing and editing tools than basic design applications provide. Let's get started. Anytime you launch CorelDRAW Go, you first see the home screen. On the home screen, you will find a few different options to start your design. You can directly open a CDR SVG file from your device. You can select one of the blank document presets or a template. For example, if you want to create a social media post, you can start from a blank page here or browse for templates. You can click on More and find other popular pre-made blank document presets, or navigate to social media and find more templates. I'm going to select this one on the home screen, and that takes you to the editing space. A clean, minimal space that keeps the focus on your design. Now, I like some elements of this design here, but as you can see, this is a business card, and today I would like to create a Facebook cover. In order to do so, I can quickly go to Project Settings and resize my document. Simply scroll through the preset sizes here and find one that you like. Or you can manually edit the height and width of your document. You can also change the background color. And so my project is now all set up. Now let's edit the design itself. All templates in CorelDRAW Go are fully customizable. That means all the objects within the templates can be edited. You can simply click and select objects on your template to move, manipulate, or delete them. If you have a complex design, you can also navigate to the object stalker here and select single objects or groups directly from the Docker. Now I'm ready to add the main message and icon in the center here. I'm going to open up the Stock Assets panel and navigate to Vectors. There are over 40,000 icons and illustrations to choose from. Simply type your search term and scroll. When you find an icon or illustration you like, click to select and then click on the document to place. Use the handy alignment guides to center it to the page. The corner handles to resize. Next, I would like to find a shape to add to my design. So let's open up the Shapes panel, where you can choose from several common popular shapes and simply find one that you like. Again, click and then click to place it on the canvas. Many of the common shapes have these colorful little dots called anchor points that allow you to manipulate the shapes quickly along a path, like so. I can turn it into a circle, make it thicker or thinner, turn it into a pie shape or a donut shape. I'm just going to make it a little bit thinner and make it bigger and place it around my icon. Now I'm ready to add some text along this curve. So I'll navigate to my text tool here and hover around the shape. When I see the cursor change, I can start typing. Select it, and then I can change my font. In order to change the font, I will go up here to the right-hand corner and use the drop-down. I can choose from over 5,000 preloaded fonts. Use the filters to navigate through them. I'm going to find this one and select. I can also increase the font size. Maybe a little bit smaller is better. Next, I want to change the color of my font. So I'm going to open up the Properties panel now and go to Fill. At this point, I'm also going to hide the shape, the curve shape itself. So I can simply go to Outline and turn it off. And that hides the outline. Let's align it again. Once again to the center, right on top of this icon. Now, let's customize some of these banner shapes. This is where CorelDRAW Go really shines and gives you so much more richer functionality than other basic apps while maintaining ease of use. I'm just going to double click on these banners and bring up some node points. I can simply drag these around to manipulate the shape of this wave or banner. I'm just gonna freely drag them till I'm happy with what I see. Going to do the same with the second banner here and drag it around. At any point, I can use the Control Z or Control or Command Z or the buttons up here to undo. I can also double click on a path to add a node for even more control, or double click again to delete the node. I can also use my right click function to add or delete nodes. Now let's add some grass to this center banner here. And this is just so easy. First, I'm going to select this banner and then right click, convert to mask frame. That brings up some lines on that tell me that this is ready to be converted for a photo to be dropped in. I also have the handy prompt bubbles down here telling me what to do next. I'm going to go back to the Stock Assets panel here, and this time navigate to Photos. Here we have access to over 6 million photos via Unsplash. Let's type in grass, select this option, and place it on the canvas. Then simply drag it into the frame that we created earlier. As easy as that. Now, a quick tip. Any shape can be converted to a mask frame, and you can add vector objects or photos to these frames. Now for my final touches, I'm going to change some colors. You can choose a color. from the pre-populated project color space, which are simply colors from the current design, or basic colors from the handy swatch here, or navigate to custom colors and pick your set your hue and value. You can also type in the exact values or use the color picker. I'm going to select this brown from here and the same. And also want to add some transparency. In order to add transparency to this, I'm simply going to turn it on. And then I can adjust how much transparency I want with this slider. Going to do the same here, select the object, then turn the transparency on. On the top banner here, I would like to add a gradient. So I select the top one, go to Fill, select Gradient. And then I have the option of selecting multiple colors for the gradient. I'm going to select the first swatch and put a bright green. And then I'm going to go to the second swatch and put a light green. Great. I'm almost at the end and I just want to add a little extra something to this design to make it pop. I'm going to open up the drawing tools here, and we have a few different drawing tool options to choose from. Whether you are a beginner and just doodling with a freehand drawing tool, or a slightly advanced artist looking for a pen tool, or you just want to add some splashes of textures to your designs with brushes, you are going to find something here. I'm going to go and get the glow brush. And with one stroke, I can add some cloud-like shapes to this design. Click anywhere on the canvas or click Finish to get out of the drawing mode. And then select the shapes that you just made to make some changes to it. Now with that, I am done and I can ready to export this as a PNG. This file is also auto-saved and you can find it in your My Projects. Right here. Thank you for joining me on this quick tour of CorelDRAW Go. You are now ready to jump into the 15-day trial and start creating.